Yeah, good evening, everyone, and once again, welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, this is the first time, please click on the subscribe button down here. Then also click on the bell icon so you can get notification once I drop any video. And after watching this video, if it's helpful, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, give this video a like, share with your friends, your family, with your loved ones, anyone taking this video. Please do it to share with them. Let's share wherever it is we think it's valuable to us so that we can also learn from it. So let's go straight to today's analysis. Today I'll be analyzing three pairs for the week. So the market will be open few hours from now, which is the 5 p.m. New York section. So let's just analyze the market and know what to expect from this week. So I'll be analyzing three different pairs, which is the EURGBP, the GBPUSD, and also the USDCAD. I've tried my best to make the videos as short as possible. I've already highlighted everything just to tell you what I expect from this and the structure of the market. Okay, let's go straight into the EURGBP markets. Okay, here it is. Here's a chart of the EURGBP. This market has been an uptrend for a while in the 4-hour chart, but we check on the higher time frame, like the weekly. You can see it's first on a downtrend from here. So the downtrend down here, then up, then down, up. Now currently now going back downtrend. Okay, now let's go back to the analysis. I use my 4-hour of 1 hour for my analysis, but I use the lower higher time frame to know the general movement of the market. So that when I know the general movement of the market, so I know what to expect from the lower time frame, because the higher time frame controls the lower time frame. Okay, let's go into it. This just actually broke several resistance, has been breaking several resistance. A lot of people has been complaining it's breaking. Yeah, it actually has to break because the pandemic actually got this pair down to a very high level that it was never expected to get down to. Like most of the traders were shocked. But anyway, the market is currently reviving now. So when it broke this real resistance level, it got to this point. What do we expect from this market now? For this next week is for it now. It also got into this level here. This level you can see here. They went to this level. So what I expect now is for it to go back and hit this resistance level here, then go down, because this market I expect a downtrend from this market. Looking at it during our trend line, I've already done all that. But let me just show you some of the things we did to get. If you do a trend line, you notice it has broken it downward, which is here. You see here, it has broken this trend line here. It has broken this downward. So what are you expecting? For it to go back, retest that resistance level, then start selling again, or it must start selling from this point. But nevertheless, if it should break this resistance here, retest it, there might be chances of it going back up. But if it's going up, that will be trading against the general momentum of the market. For high, I don't really trade against general momentum. I look for just a sell signal. If it doesn't sell, I leave the market and go to other ones. So for this EURGBP, I expect a sell for this market. So let's go straight to the next one, so the video can be as short as possible. I hope you guys understand. If you don't understand, please let me know in the comment section. Ask a question. I'll drop my email there, I'll drop my number. You can call me and ask me whatever it is you want to ask. Going to GBPUSD. GBPUSD was currently moving in a down range. Then it broke the down range. It tested a resistance level, and currently it's going down. So now what I expect now from this market is for it to go back up, retest that resistance level up there. I expect to retest this resistance level here, this one here, this blue one you see here. I expect to retest this resistance zone, not even a level, because the resistance support is not a line. Most people do a line. I really don't value it being a line. I expect it to be a zone, because it's more of a zone. If you don't put a zone, it's very confusing. I think it has broken me right. I still yet in that zone. So it's better to use a rectangle instead of a straight line. Okay, actually it has broken the normal down range which it was forming for a while. Then get back to the first resistance, came back. Currently is going up. Following our stochastic, you can see the stochastic also points you upward. I'm expecting the upward to be down, to test the resistance level. After that, the market will go down. So I expect also a sell from GBPUSD this week. Nevertheless, also as you all know, the market it's nobody's business. It can do anything. I expect this and that to happen. But if it should break above above my resistance level here, you wait first for a retest, wait for the market to go up, retest the market, retest that level. If you just still break it, then you can go on a buy on the market. When you're buying, you have to make sure anything you're doing in forex market, you have to make sure you have proper money and risk management. So let's go straight to the last one for the week. The last one for the week, which is the USDCAD. Oh, sorry, please. This is GBPUSD. Okay, here's the USDCAD. USDCAD is a very good pair that went down for a long time. Oh, sorry, please. So currently it's reviving now. As you can see, it's currently moving on a support. It's just moving on a support. Judging from the higher time frame, I wouldn't want to waste your time, but we've done a lot of analysis on this. Before we come up with any analysis, we must have done our analysis on higher time frame, do our back tests, our front tests to make sure anything we are dishing out to the public is the correct information to avoid misleading the public. And after all, to also make our channel one of the best on YouTube. So here is it. For this, you go down here. First, it was moving in this. It was moving down here. Let me just show you a little bit of, we've done all this before, but let me just show you. Okay, first it was moving here, it's got here, just this level here. I'm saying, yeah, then as you can see here, it got here, yeah, it's got it here, tested that level here, you see it here. It tested it here at this point here, it tested it, then went back up and started following that same support. So that support now is a very strong support. Why I call that support a very strong support? Because it was tested on the weekly, tested on the monthly, even on the daily. If you go back, we've already done all that. So this support is a strong support. Even if it breaks it below it, I still expect this market to go back up. But in the case where it breaks below, it tests the market and start going on a sell, they can sell this market. But I strongly believe, as you all know, nobody is 100% correct in the forex market. We are all only using the past actions to know what happened. It's just pure technical analysis. So this is what I expect from the market, from those market or from these pairs. I expect now a buy from USDCAD following the 4-hour section. Though you can have a pullback to the former support, then it start moving up. So that's all for this week. You can also go and check your analysis. Don't take my words for it. Go and do your own analysis. Try to find out what you're expecting from the market. But for me, I bring you these stock shows or this market or these pairs because these are one of the best stock shows. As I always say, don't force yourself on the market. Let the market give you. Just follow the trend of the market. Don't force yourself. If the market says buy, look for a buy signal. If it says sell, look for a sell signal. Don't be selling when the market is buying. You're hoping for a reversal. If you're hoping for a reversal, there is another strategy for that. If you see one more strategy you want to know more about how to trade the market, how to analyze the market, I've got my number, my email at the comments at the description below. So just feel free to let me know your questions, your complaints, your suggestions. So for now, please go buy and stay safe and have a good and lovely profitable week ahead. Love you all and bye for now.